Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome, and thanks so much for coming. Give you the full effect. So today we have our AIA American Influencer box. This is a bi-monthly subscription. So this is the box for February, and I just got it. So let's see what's in it. And usually it's one brand specific, which I like. So let's see. Comes like this. This month is Bellapierre. So on the card it tells you the box that you're getting and all the goodies in there. And we do have prices, so this shall be interesting. I will leave a total of all the products at the end of the video and you let me know if it's worth it. Okay, so first thing is the banana setting powder. Sorry for the glare. This is right here, $35. Color correcting setting powder with a subtle yellow hue. Tip, also great for baking your makeup, which is not great for your skin, but a lot of people still do it. So this is the color. Looks like that. So it does have a sifter, which is really nice. Mini kabuki, which it is a very mini kabuki. And it has the name Bellapierre there. So this is $20. It's the best seller alert. Ding, 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 ding. All right, it's also cruelty free. Oh, that's great to know. Cute little brush, you know, dust off or whatever. This is Incognito, that's the shade. This is the mineral lipstick. It is $20, and here is the shade color. So this looks a little peachy. Oh, it's a nude peach. Not too bad. Look at the packaging. Nice little bullet lipstick. It has ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba. Lasts for hours. Then we have the Twist Up brow pencil. This is ultra slim, $20, oil free, smudge free. This is the pencil. So you have a little spoolie on one end, and then you have the tip here. The tip is here. Ooh, that looks a little grayish. This is supposed to be what color? Cocoa. It says cocoa, but it looks very gray. So I'm going to put that to the side. And then last is a palette. Okay, look at the packaging. Bellapierre. I think I've only gotten one single shadow. Ooh, this is nice. And it has a mirror. And it does have a protective sleeve. Hold on. So here are the colors. Very pretty. I'll put the sleeve back on. I don't think I'll be keeping this just because I have a lot of these same colors, but it is very, very pretty. Okay, so we got a palette, we got a lipstick, we got a mini kabuki, eyebrow pencil, and banana setting powder. So for $34, is it worth it? It's okay. But they do give Bella123 code for 40% off from April 1st to the 15th if anybody wants to use that on Bellapierre products. It wasn't bad, but my favorite so far has been the Lala one. Let me know down in the comments, guys, what your thoughts are. Do you get this box? And as always, guys, stay safe.